Hello, friends. It's Danny here of Danny's Dreams. And today I am here with a new series that I'm going to be starting, I guess, for lack of better terms. I'm going to be starting to do some Shop My Stash, which the concept is not new by any means. I think as crafters, that's something we always try to do, but I fail at it often. So I'm trying it again. Basically, what I'm going to do is when the mood strikes me, it's not going to be like an every week thing or anything like that, but when the mood strikes me, hopefully at least a couple times a month, I'm going to shop my stash by either choosing a theme or a certain company or maybe a product. Basically, whatever I think I want to work with for a week or so. And then I will create some projects. They will be on my blog. And then at the end, when I feel that I'm done with the theme or I need to move on to other projects or whatever, then I will do a video to share everything that I made. So, starting off today with my first Shop My Stash, and I went with the theme of barbecue or grilling this time around, which I was really surprised. I only made, let's see, these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cards, but I still have probably 4 or 5 more stamp sets in my stash that I didn't even get to. So I might revisit this theme again. Years and years ago, I did a series like this kind of on my blog where I would pick a theme for the week and then I would create cards with it. And I had so much fun. So I'm hoping that this will prove to be similar to that and that I'll continue to have fun. Let me move these cards around here. We will get back to those in a moment. I'm going to show you the products that I did use for this Shop My Stash. So to start out with, which kind of inspired this whole series, well, this whole theme this time, was the Not Too Shabby August 2022 Stamp and Die of the Month. These picnic cows. I think that they are beyond adorable, so much fun. I've already shared that I love cows, so I just was over the moon excited to try these out. At the time of this video, I think that the stamp and die combo is still available, or maybe it's just the stamp sets available. One of the two. I have it linked below, whichever one it is. And if you're unfamiliar with Not Too Shabby, they have a stamp and die of the month as well as a box of the month and a paper pad club subscription. They keep getting better and better. I would sign up so you don't miss a month. So anyways, I started with the picnic cows and then I used the Just Grillin' paper pad. It was from the August 2022 paper pad club of the month. I'm not sure. I think this might still be available. I'm not sure. Again, everything will be linked below. I use this on several cards. And then I also used this Scrappy Boy Stamps Cute Girls Cooking for this little image down here. I've been a fan of Scrappy Boy stamps since they started, but I just haven't had a chance to really ink up and color up their cute images. So I'm hoping to change that. So again, I did use that. And then I used this kit I've had since August of 2020. And it's from Simon Says Stamp, and it was the Picnic Parade Kit. And you'll see I took inspiration from this card right here for one of my cards. So speaking of cards, let's get to it. So with those cute picnic cows, all of these I did use sketches, and the sketches are on my blog post. All the information, the products that I could still find are listed below, as well as the blog posts. So I had this one, What's Cookin'? And I stamped that one on the inside. And this one is Well Done, with that hot dog that cracks me up. We're trying to figure out if they are vegan or if they're cannibals. And then I know this one wasn't really the barbecue theme, but I just love that cow with that watermelon. The ant kind of got lost. I had originally planned on coloring this cow a different color, but I love black and white cows, so I grabbed that out first and I went with it. So there is a little ant there and a strawberry and a watermelon. And I used some This Calls for Confetti on there. And then I just did some banners on the inside. I love those little watermelon themed ones. And then for the Scrappy Boy Stamps one, she's really barbecuing up quite the feast there. And again, this calls for confetti, that same paper pad. You're smoking hot. And I stamped her on the inside. And then for the Simon Says stamps, it's the first time I think that I've ever used stickers on a card. I put them, I asked for some tips in my group. There's a stamp for that. And I put them on some cardstock, cut them out, and then popped some of them up on foam tape. This is that one that I took inspiration from the kit itself, from the designers. I just thought that was so cute. They're Doodlebug stickers. Obviously, I don't think that they're still available. And then I just can't even. Those ants are so cute. So I really like how that turned out. And it was really fun to play with stickers. So I made one more. And it's the family favorites. It's listed, a little ant. And memories, sending lots and lots of sunshine. And then the inside. I did, this stamp set is Hello Sunshine, and I did find it. It's still available, so it is linked below. So there are my 6 cards for my first Shop My Stash. Like I said, I still have several stamp sets with this theme that I didn't get to, so maybe I'll revisit it in the future. Not sure when I will start my next one, hopefully next week. I already have the theme picked out, or like the product, and it's going to be background stamps. I have a ton of them, and I don't seem to use them very often, so I thought that would be a fun one for my next Shop My Stash. Let me know in the comments below if you ever shop your stash. Let me know in the comments below if you have background stamps. Maybe you want to join me and share. Just tag me on like Instagram or Facebook, or leave a comment here with a link and I can go check it out. Thanks so much for stopping by. I will be back tomorrow with my Saturday showcase. Also tonight, I am on Craft Roulette, so a guest on there. So if you're familiar with that, go on over, I hope to see you there. If not, you can go to the Craft Roulette YouTube channel and be notified and come join some paper crafting fun this evening. All right, thanks for stopping by. Have a wonderful day.